guys, I will just show you my socks with the toes. I'm going out to Maria. She's in Toys R Us, and she went to Adidas factory, and then we will go to IKEA. So I will just turn this off because I will go out. Yeah, I finally went out. Maria has been calling me for the past 30 minutes, so she wants me to finally go out from the apartment. Food and clean the toilet, bathroom, and showered, of course, because yeah, I'm OCD. You know that about me, guys. Yeah. Yeah, I'm wearing this fleece sweater, no bra as usual, because if ever I get a panic attack, then I can just take off this and don't have to be naked outside. Oh, but I didn't do that. When I had a panic attack, I didn't take my bra off on the streets because then I would be naked. Maybe if it didn't stop, but it's while we were walking. Maybe the fresh air did it. Sorry, I'm shaking. Sorry. I'm horrible vlogger. Yeah, I'm on my way to Maria, and I have my coat with me, but it is quite warm, so I just took it with me just in case, guys. So I'm crossing the street and vlogging. I shouldn't. I know I shouldn't. But yeah, doing it. Oh, the sun. Can you see me? Or yeah, I guess you can see me when there's sun. How do you like my bangs? I'm regretting it a little bit. Because Maria, I don't know, she was, I think, thinking of that makeover and she overdid it. Yeah, but it will grow. It will grow. Yeah, she found a pair of shoes. I will show it to you, which cost 1,000 before, 1,000 Danish crowns, and now it only cost 249. Yeah. So, and I told her, buy those pairs for me too, but the store closed, so she couldn't go inside. So that's why. But maybe I don't know if it's open tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to work, so I can't buy that. But maybe on Monday. But you know, guys, I want to buy for my ScorpioAnnPinay YouTube channel, ASMR channel. I want to buy binaural microphones and recording machine, and that costs about 1,000, or is it 2,000? Yeah, if it's 2,000, then I can buy it now. So if it's 1,000, maybe. Yeah, we were supposed to buy that months ago, but now, since I'm not making so much, or I'm not making really the exposed skin videos anymore, it's mostly lollipop and sometimes talking about sex, and yeah, many are watching those, but I only make those once a week because I'm not in the mood in talking about sex every time. That would be boring for me, although I get a lot of views on those. I'm out of breath, guys. Yeah, I will stop this because it's a while before I reach Toys R Us. Bye! We are now in Toys R Us, guys. We will see Maria. Oh, did you see? She's there. Is this vlogception? You said this will not happen again.
This part though, because I have been waiting for 5,000 minutes.
No. 1 hour maybe.
Sadly, there's separate music on.
Huh?
Separate music.
So I have to stop?
Or edit it.
I can't hear any music.
Okay.
Huh? Can you? Can you hear?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll stop. Guys, we're in IKEA now. Maria burned her finger. Show it. Yeah, because she got that. You should have gotten a cup. But she got a wine glass. Yeah, of course you will burn yourself.
No, the actual water fell on my
Fell. It fell.
Yeah, I didn't actually hold this one, but the water.
I wiped the table with a white. It's clean, Marie. So we're going to eat. Are we going to make it ASMR? No, not ASMR. So we got French fries and meatballs, and I know it looks strange with marmalade. And Maria got salad, and we had free tea because we have a partnership here in IKEA, and sugar. Ketchup is not free, but the tea is free, and she has vegan meatballs. No, vegan veggie balls, French fries, and ratatouille. Sorry, I dropped it on the floor. And water, not free. And one, I don't know what that is, parsley. So we're going to eat. We will eat. Not ASMR. This is typical Swedish. You put almost, it's not marmalade, but it's almost. It's sweet marmalade. Not very sweet though. Yeah, she poured herself. We will buy the shoe shelf and I will show you. Guys, here's the aftermath. We ate everything, and the tea too. Look at my not stockings, but socks. It's up here. No, it's not. It's up here. And it has toes. Toes. So cute. I will try Maria's rubber shoes. Adidas. It's Adidas running shoes because she has sensitive teeth. Oh, feet. The size is 43. It's too big for me because my size is 40. But usually I fit into them anyway. Yeah, it fits me. You know, it fits me. Really, it really fits me, and it looks like a girl's shoes. Yeah. You should have bought one for me as well. It really fits me. Oh my god, I should have bought one in a different color.
That's the only color.
Huh? Yeah, it's bigger. Yeah, maybe I should have 40. I told my mom it's 299, but it's only 249, right?
Instead of 1,000.
Oh, yeah. These are old ones from Maria as well, because her feet were growing so fast before, but I think it has stopped, right?
Yeah.
Are you sad that it has stopped?
Yeah.
Why?
I want Sunny.
Hey my god, it's so difficult to
But
buy.
then you're different.
Yeah, but then you are sure you get new shoes always, right? And I get the old ones. Yeah. We are going to fetch the it's not a shoe shelf, right, Maria? It's just a shelf that you will attach to the walls, just so you know when we come home we are so tired. So
We
everything,
should show it sometime.
yeah. So everything should be attached on the wall, you know, IKEA style, or else everything will fall down when we come home.
We're like drunk people.
Yeah, when we are so tired. So people are looking when I'm vlogging. They are wondering what's with her. Is she crazy?
Maybe it's just a long selfie. Long selfie.
No, a selfie.
Do it to your camera.
Not a selfie. What? How do you do it now? Not the duck face or fish face. Not like that anymore. But what?
You do that. You can see the tongue, but it looks like a silicone mouth.
Yeah, I just showered, so I just and and cleaned the bathroom and showered. So my hair is still wet.
Huh?
And I did a video on Maria's rock hard muffin slash cupcake. God, it felt like not just cookies, but rock cookies. I don't know, but I ate them. They were on the top. They were very hard, and under it was so gooey. Because I told her just put 1 tablespoon instead of 6.
Instead of 4 deciliters. 3 deciliters.
No.
Yes, 3 deciliters.
No, you added one.
200.
Yeah, yeah. You added 50 grams instead of 200 grams.
No.
No. Yes.
100 grams. I added
Yeah,
100.
yeah. I shouldn't massage my hair. It looks so not sexy, but trying to be sexy.
Look at me.
Oh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Shall we go down?
It's still burning, guys. When I remove it, it's so stingy.
Baby.
What?
Bye.
Insult me. Guys, my mom is making me vlog on two of her channels because she's feeling lazy. Yeah, she is.
I'm eating ice candy.
Yeah. Guys, she is so lazy, guys. I'm the one making the cabinet and everything, but I'm also the one vlogging. Not that I don't like vlogging, I like vlogging. So I will do it again. I just did this for her other channel, ScorpioAnnPinay. So here's the cabinet, guys. So here's the whole cabinet. So there on the top shelf, we haven't got anything yet. But what happened? Why is it switching? So on the top shelf we don't have anything yet, but we'll put something on there soon. There we just got. We should have 3 shelves with the shoes. Carbamide, and then scrub, deodorant, shaving cream, feminine products. Then down here we got tissue paper, toilet paper, black sacks, no, plastic bags for the toilet trash can, gloves, and then vinegar, and I keep forgetting what it's called. What's it called? Sponge. Oh God. Then down here we got our shoes. My shoes, my mom's shoes, and those are my mom's shoes that I think are so ugly now. They are so dirty and yucky. We need to give those away or throw them out or something. So here's the overview. So this saves a lot of space since it's so tall. So yeah, it's so much prettier than this ugly one. So yeah.
Do we have more ice candy?
No.
Show Pinky. He was so afraid, guys. He was thumping with his back paw, to warn us when Marie was so noisy with the shelf. And I was carrying him, but he was also afraid. So, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. I love you guys.
Oh, it's a Pinay. I love you.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I have some viewers here who don't like ASMR. Who only watch me because I'm talking normally. That's strange. Yeah, soon I will post. I should be more serious in my vlogging channels, or not really vlogging channels, in my channels, ScorpioAnn and ScorpioAnnPinay. In this channel, I will talk more about motherhood, since Maria suggested it. Do you like to watch those kind of videos? I don't trust Maria. She's saying that it's trending now.
It is, guys. It is. The YouTube channel What's Up Moms or something. They have like millions of views, and
Really, they are interesting.
no, they are not interesting. And so many, YouTubers that are moms. It's Judy's Life, okay, Bubs.
Yeah.
So many YouTubers are becoming moms,
Yeah,
and it's becoming a trend.
but you're 21 now. So what I'm going to say is, it belongs in the past.
Yeah,
I
and
can't show you as a baby anymore.
the good thing with you is that you have so much experience.
Yes.
Not like them, they only have toddlers and they don't know what's going to happen. You
No.
can say what's going to happen, like, what you did when I was younger, and if it worked or if it didn't work. They can just say, oh, this is what I'm doing, but they can't say if it's working or not. You have proof.
Yeah, but should I use this camera or the
If you're just going to sit down, Canon.
Canon?
Yeah. If you're walking around outside, then this one.
Yeah. Yeah, because it has a better quality.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a black.
Because right now, look how many pixels there are, guys. It's like my mom is holographic or something. She's all like that. There's blue dots everywhere.
Oh.
Yeah. Mama, you can't see it on your son. My mom is like, what? Where?
Yeah, I'm on the floor because I'm not.
Lazy.
No, I will use this again for work tomorrow, but we were not dirty. We did not work or anything.
Yeah.
I'm lazy.
Yeah. Thumbnail.
I only took 3 vitamin B12.
I only took 2, guys.
Why? Is it kaput?
No, I only really take 2.
Ah, yeah.
My God.
I
So, let me tell you what I'm going to do for the rest of the night. It's like 8 o'clock or something.
It's 9:46.
Oh, 9:46? Oh my God. I need to hurry. Look what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a voiceover. Then I'm going to clean Pinky's cage.
Whose fault is that?
Wait. Then I'm going to clean Pinky's cage.
That's what
Then
happens when you adopt an animal.
And then, guys, I also need to eat something, and I wasn't able to do the dishes because I had to, do so many other things, like turn into a character from a Nickelodeon show for a DIY. and then and then I wasn't even able to fold like over there. So yeah, but but you said I should vlog, so here's me vlogging. And then I had to do this. And by the way, guys, check out Ariaville. My vlogging channel. This is kind of like a preview of what you can see on Ariaville, but with a much better camera. I'm using the Canon and not this Kodak. So if you want to see high quality videos of me vlogging, I vlog this one, how I made it. So my mom told me to vlog because she feels lazy, so I'm vlogging.
Bye guys, I love you so much. It's Aspi with the robot voice. Aww.
That's how you vlog, mama, like that.
Yeah. Ah.